Hi, I'm Marcus Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to try and get this 1999 Harley Davidson 833 running. It's been sitting for a little bit. Just needs a little bit of love because it's gorgeous. It needs it.
Hold on, I'm giving it all I've got, but I need your help. I don't wanna get up.
I love chrome.
Don't look, wrong time and perfect spot, but I know myself. I push till I break it up. Every little piece of me feels stuck. I'm trying. Any little thing.
Well, this green stuff might be that seafoam mix, but you can see all that settlement at the bottom of the bowl, and it's... So this would not have run because that's clogging up that jet.
To make this much. Why do brittle beings and dirt lock? I'm flying. Can you stick it out? Can you stick it out?
So we got the gas tank off. It's there. Cleaned the carb. Everything cleaned out. It had a lot of settlement in the bottom of the bowl. Just needed to be cleaned and all the jets moved. I'm working on cleaning this out. I'm going to take off the primer and the jet just to make sure all the passageways are nice and clean. Then pour a little bit of gas in there, swash it around just to get whatever left is in there, because gas should not be that brownish yellow color. Swash it around, get it all nice in there, and then put it on.
You want me near, can say I don't want you to. You're gonna get burned if you come too close, it's true. You're the one who lit me up, can't take me much higher. Yeah, you're the one who lit me up. Help me baby, can't you see that I'm on fire?
You know what, and I always think my bike isn't loud enough.
Tell me baby, I'm on fire. Tell me baby, can't you see that I'm on fire? You want me near, can say I don't want you to. But you're gonna get burned if you come too close, it's true. When you're the one who lit me up, gonna get burned if you come too close, it's true. You're the one who lit me up. Can't take me much higher. Yeah, you're the one who lit me up. Tell me, baby, can't you see that I'm on fire?
Oh my god. That is awesome. Okay, let's see here.
I'm burned out, but I just can't say it out loud, so let's just pretend. Can we dance around it? We're two brittle beings in dirt lock. I'm flying.